Hi friends, welcome to channel. You are watching Dharun Modes YouTube channel. I'm Dharun. In this video, we are going to see HYIPLAB version 3.0. It is the latest version. You can see the latest version updated date. So you can scroll down and you can see the version date. The current version is version 3.0 and updated date is 7 October 2022. So I have that cracked version in my server. You can see the live demo in the screen. So this is the live demo from the latest version of 3.0 from HYIP script. So in this HYIPLAB, it is a complete cracked version, so it's not required any purchase code or any other license key functions. HYIPLAB version 3.0 is not required any purchase code, so you can directly use the script in your server. All the details I will provide in the description box for the live demo login details and live preview. So I also mentioned the price in the description box. If anyone need the latest version of HYIPLAB version 3.0, just contact me. Now in this video I'm going to give some previews in the video, so let's start that. Okay, you can see the live demo in my server. So I'm going to directly log in with admin panel. So I'm going to log in. I give all the credential for the demo purpose to log in and access whatever you want and test whatever you want in the server. So you can see the admin panel and it's completely new for the latest version. You can also check the version number in the side panel menu. So in the admin dashboard, HYIPLAB version 3.0. I'm going to show you user panel also. So just go with your domain and click the login button, then mail.dharun.com. I also give a user login details in the description box. Check with the user dashboard also. You can see the user dashboard and other options in the user dashboard. So just click the profile and dashboard investment. So you can also try to investment by plans. Okay, investment. So I'm selecting UPI payment and go with the $10. So it's automatically calculated with your data charges and amount how you'll be paying. Okay, this is the payment page. I'm using this for demo purpose, so I used offline payment. So like you need to upload payment proof for the payment and you can check that. I can remove any script purchase code from any kind of third party or Codecanyon. Just contact me if you want to remove purchase code from any other scripts. Okay, this is the live demo from my side. If you want the script, just contact me in WhatsApp. All the details will be shown in the screen, and also I give you a WhatsApp URL in the description box. Just click and contact me. Price also mentioned in the description box. If you contact me in WhatsApp, we can negotiate the price and you can get the script instantly in your mail or WhatsApp. Thank you.